This is day 9, and we have 15 more days as a countdown to Thanksgiving. Okay, now here's something that I can tell you will have your guest saying, oh my goodness, what did you do to those sweet potatoes? I am so excited to be able to present to you what is called my sweet potato gratin. And there's no cheese, there's no dairy, and there is delicious sage in there. So it brings in the really nice holiday flavors along with garlic, all of those antioxidants that are going to fight the disease process. And you know what I like about sweet potatoes is that sweet potatoes is a phytoestrogen. So for women who may be having issues with some estrogen issues, we can actually use it to help in that area. So it can decrease some of those estrogen deficient type symptoms. So I'm excited about that. But if you're a man, it doesn't even bother that. So we're really good with that too. Both men and women enjoy this dish. It's absolutely incredible. And it is, I gotta say, not the least fattening because it does have coconut milk in it, but we're using a low fat version. So that is also exciting. And it is Christmas. It is the holidays, not Christmas, but it's Thanksgiving, but you can use it for Christmas too. So I want you to be able to enjoy your holidays with wonderful, delicious foods that are exciting to eat and even exciting to smell and to look at, to taste, because presentation is key. Presentation is everything. So when you're eating this delicious sweet potato gratin, know that my heart was in it, and I can't wait to hear what your comments are. Let me know what you think about the sweet potato gratin, and put your comments below. I also want to know, have you ever had sweet potatoes with sage? Isn't that kind of an unusual combination? It really is. I've also made sweet potatoes with thyme, which is also delicious. And if time permits, we might even use that as one of our holiday recipes. But whatever the case is, to use this one, you want to try. So I can't wait for you to try it. I can't wait to hear what you think about it. Put your comments below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Let the world know that you can reverse type 2 diabetes deliciously. Let's expand the platform. Thank you so much for helping me grow this channel with your subscription and with your telling a friend. I really do appreciate that. So I will see you in our next video where we can teach you how to make one more delicious item that you will never regret. Thank you so much for your time, attention, and for being here. Thank you for the opportunity to participate in your transformation to reverse your type 2 diabetes. I love you. Thank you so much.